with the school details. When I try to add address again in here, after that, this is the new field when I add address or fill the new address. But when I try to delete the fields, should display the school as can uh, swell. Then I try to click I confirm, but look at this. I will try to click outside of the street alert and the street alert is closed. Without I click OK button on that street alert. It should when I try to click outside of the street alert, it is not the close street alert. So when I try to click here outside of the area, it is not the close the Bravo street alert. Street alert is closed when I click OK button on the street alert Bravo or the button on the other street alert.